This isn't the decade-overdue GT-R redesign. Nissan's 2024 visual and mechanical upgrades are welcome. Much appreciated as the GT-R no longer dominates the budget market and competes with Porsche 911, Chevrolet Corvette Z06, and Audi E-Tron GT. I hope the next-gen hybrid GT-R arrives soon. What we think. The GT-R was a cheap world beater with nearly unlimited tuning potential when it debuted, but that was some time ago. That automobile was excellent, but we need something fresh. Little change means the GT-R still has gasp-worthy acceleration and feels light and quick on track, especially in Nismo form. For regular driving, the ride is comfortable and never slow. We'd still admire the GT-R if it was 2009's bargain. Since then, Godzilla's price has risen to six figures and over $200,000 for a GT-R NISMO, so purchasers must really desire a Nissan over a Porsche or Corvette. The GT-R is still a superb sports car, but its biggest advantage is gone. Efficiency and performance. The 2024 Nissan GT-R uses the same 3.8-liter twin-turbo V6 as the 2009 R35. It now produces 565 horsepower and 467 lb-ft in the GT-R Premium and T-Spec and 600 in the Nismo. All models have AWD and include a 6-speed dual clutch, as they have for 15 years. Expect 60 mph in under 3.0 seconds and 1622 mpg city Chuck's highway. Safety ratings and features. An old-school AWD supercar for daily driving. Porsche Taycans have adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, etc. At least the GT-R has airbags, parking sensors, and a backup camera. Space for cargo and interior. One of the few sub-3-second vehicles with rear seats, the GT-R boasts remarkable front legroom but won't fit 6-footers. The trunk is also tight. Technology. Since 2009, Nissan has enhanced the GT-R's materials and interior design, but the electronics is outdated. The GT-R's 8.0-inch touchscreen infotainment system is tiny compared to competitors and supports Apple CarPlay, but not Android Auto. Standard features include GPS, 11-speaker Bose audio, and active noise cancellation. Polyphony Digital, which makes Gran Turismo, helped design the infotainment interface. 2024 Nissan GT-R T-Spec. The GT-R T-Spec, a compromise between the GT-R Premium and the 200,000-plus GT-R NISMO, returns. It has the Nismo's carbon ceramic brakes, gold-painted raised-forged wheels, and dark green leather and suede seats. The T-Spec also comes in Millennium Jade and Midnight Purple, which were formerly available on rare high-performance R34 GT-Rs. Visual updates. The 2024 GT-R will seem different to fans of the outgoing model year, even though it shares elements with the platform. Nissan changed the front and rear fascias, grille, and bumper sides to reduce drag and enhance downforce. This year, the rear wing gets updated. Front lip, rear diffuser, and canards are revised on the NISMO, which has a nearly 10% larger wing.